Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to turn off the inline predictive text on iPhone, and this is for those who have iOS 17.3. So basically, if you already updated your iPhone, that's great. You can use this feature. If not, something different needs to be done. So to do this, you're just going to go to Settings. You're just going to scroll down until you see General right here. Click on that. And now also scroll down until you see Keyboard. And when you go here on Keyboard, as you can see, we have all those auto capitalization, auto correction, and so on. Also, we have predictive text. We can also turn this off, but what we want to turn on is show predictions in line. So we're just gonna turn this off. And after that, basically the inline has changed. And now basically you will not see the predictions in line anymore. And yeah guys, if this video was helpful, please leave a like, leave a comment down below, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.